Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have the HP DreamColor monitor and I'm going to tell you how you can easily change the test pattern of the color image in your monitor. So at first we have to click on the button in the back of our monitor in the bottom right corner and click it once again. Here we have to scroll to image, click the image and scroll to test pattern generator. Here we have full screen black, full screen 50% gray, full screen white, full screen red, full screen green, full screen blue, and color cycle. We can click on it to enable color cycle. As you can see, it might be some more lightful, more light, it can be just brighter than I see this, but it works like that, as you can see. Let me disable test pattern generation, and that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.